Hello everyone, namaste. And today I am going to speak how you will identify the real food from the fake food. Some people are sitting here, so actually I am trying to explain to them, my customer or client regarding this. So as well as I am recording the same video out here, and it will be so much of discussion or some kind of video. Okay. So let's start our video. How you will identify the real food from fake food? How you will identify the real food from fake food? Is there any way? Anyone have any idea? You can share if you have any idea, or you want to share later end of this session at the Q&A. That's also okay. First we'll try to understand. After that, if you have any question, we'll take that also. So I will share you in rule number 1. Eat food that are eventually rotten, like some food which rots, decay. Try to consume that food more. Why? Why? I will explain you if that food rot, decay, then it's real food. Only the food with life can decay. Am I right? If the food has a life, then only it will decay. Think about a banana on your table, on your kitchen. You have kept there one banana. After a few days, it will turn black and decay. Maybe you all have analyzed that. Am I right? So that's because real food attack microorganisms. They attract microorganisms. Okay. But what happens when you leave a slice of pizza, burger, or any sandwich, like even a patties? You keep same thing on the same table, like one banana on the table, and just next to banana keep some piece of pizza for the same number of days. Which is real food now? Are you able to identify? The real food will decay. The fake food will, nothing will happen to piece of pizza or burger or patties. It will remain for a week. Nothing will change. Not much, because it's packed. Do you know? It's packed with preservatives. Always there will be preservatives. So not alive. So we are choosing live food or not alive. It's not alive. So choose food that has a life and breathe like us. You have to identify which food is real. So choose a food which has a life and breathe like us. Rule number 2. Food straight from farm is real food. Those food which are coming directly from farms are real food. The real food comes directly from the farm in your kitchen. Yes, it might have some pesticides, some preservatives, some just to avoid insects. They spray some pesticides that will be there. But it has lost its essence. Okay. Once that food goes through the factory, it's no longer food. When that food reaches to the factory, it's no longer food. Why? Why it's no longer food? Because it became a product. I can give example for example, we'll take a banana or same banana. Okay, banana is real food. We can just peel that banana and we can eat. Is there any harm? No, nothing. Just a single banana. But when that banana is processed into the chips in a factory, you will chop that banana, it will take heavily processed in the factory. Then it became a product for a profit. Do you realize that? It became a product for the profit, not for your health. It will never be according to your health. It will be for the profit of the company, of the manufacturer, because they have invested their time. Okay. And rule number 3, don't trust food with TV commercial. What I'm trying to say you, they advertise the product so much of highly invested, or they have invested a huge amount for their marketing, and they want to sell that product and make income, generate the income from that. In that case, they have a huge commercial value. So don't trust with that kind of food. Did anyone ever realize that anyone advertise for cabbage, carrot? Anyone? हाँ, नहीं नहीं। और पपाया, पपाया किसी ने देखा है क्या? कैबेज के लिए, कैरोट के लिए, पपाया के लिए कोई एडवर्टीजमेंट है क्या इसके लिए? नो, देयर इज नो एडवर्टीजमेंट एट ऑल. नो, बिकॉज नो वन प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम फीडिंग यू अ रियल फूड. जब आपको अच्छा फ्रेश रियल फूड फीड किया तो प्रॉफिट है क्या कोई कंपनी को? नहीं है. सो व्हाई दे विल फीड यू? व्हाई दे विल एडवर्टाइज फॉर योर कैबेज, कैरोट एंड papaya? Okay, these food are real food. No one profit from feeding you a real food, but every industry profit from selling you a fake processed food. Every industry will be gain a profit. सभी इंडस्ट्री कोई भी हो जो मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं उसको प्रॉफिट के लिए ज़रूर करते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो जो आपको फीड करके प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए कर रहे हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है, खराब ना हो जाए, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग सेल हो जाए, लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए. दैट विल बी देयर मोटिव. हाउ मच सेल विल बी इन दिस मंथ, दिस टारगेट शुड बी फुलफिल्ड बाय सेलिंग दिस नंबर्स in this area, this zone, this location. Okay, they will not think about your health, they will think about their profit. I have, as earlier I said you, so the more ad you see, the less it's real, because they want to sell, they want to make that mentally hammering to your brain. Yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good, you can try. So one day you will feel that every time this ad is coming, so should I try this food? And you will definitely try, and if you like that taste, then you will regularly try to inculcate in your meal. But whether it is really helpful? No. Do you really need a protein shake? If I ask you, do you really need protein shake? No, not necessary. Are you any athlete? Are you doing any bodybuilding? No. For them, they have special nutrition. They have their special dietitian. Okay. So real food does not need any advertisement. It's natural. It's good for you. You just try to analyze if the food are not advertised, if they no much people are talking about that food, then you can consume that food directly. There is no harm. To explain you, like in number 1, I have explained you, eat food that are eventually rotten or rots or decay. Okay, number 1. And rule number 2, food straight from farm is real food, not the processed one. Okay. And rule number 3, don't trust food with TV commercial. Okay. So got it? You all got? If you have any question, anything you want to ask, then I am here. I am ready. So I just want to tell you, choose wisely, eat real food, and protect your health. Okay, choose wisely means whenever you try to choose your product, you try to read the food labels, try to find out if there is so much of content and written in chemistry way, in a chemistry terms or way, then try to avoid that thing. It's not useful for you. Okay, so choose wisely and try to eat a real food. Like banana, you just peel it and eat. Don't try to consume more banana chips. And protect your health. Health is always important. Protect your health and share this message with your friends, family, community, and let's spread the word and make the real norms. ओके, सबके साथ शेयर करो, सबको बोलो क्या खाना है, क्या नहीं खाना है, अरे क्यों खाना है. मैं इतना बोल रही हूँ, ये सब सिखा रही हूँ मेरे पैसे के लिए नहीं. आप आपकी ज़िंदगी अच्छे से जियो, हेल्दी तरीके से जियो. ओके, लिव हेल्दी, लिव फिट, लिव स्ट्रॉन्ग, लिव लॉन्गर, एंजॉय योर लाइफ, स्टे रिलैक्स. Okay, so share with the people, they should know more about it. If you have any question, any doubt, come to me, I am there for you. ठीक है, thank you, and let's question answer session करेंगे. So I will just try to stop the video. Thank you.